Hi, this is Hardball Retro. Welcome to the Retro Dome. Today's game is SSI Computer Baseball version 1.2, published in 1985 by Strategic Simulations Incorporated by Charlie Merrow and Jack Avery, converted to IBM PC by Bruce Carell. Let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, we're going to do play a game against the computer. New game. I will be the visitor and just pick the most recent teams here. So I'll be the Phillies, and we'll face the Royals, 1980, both teams. We'll use the DH. Days since each pitcher has pitched, I'm going to say no. Set the starting lineups for its team. Sure, I'll allow the computer to do that. Roster number of starting pitcher, we'll say Larry Gura. Designate any pitchers unavailable, I'll say no. Go with Steve Carlton. And we've got the Royals lineup. Go with Willie Wilson here in left. Go with, let's see, we want hit in second here. By at-bats, it's Frank White or UL Washington. I think we'll hit White a little further down in the lineup. Brett hitting third base. Willie Aikens, fourth, playing first. Number 5. Let's go with McRae, DH. Amos Otis in center. Clint Hurdle in right. Darrell Porter catching. Oh, did I forget Frank White? Oh, we'll do White here. White at second. Porter, catcher. Yeah, that looks fine. Sure, it's just an exhibition game anyway. Phillies, do I want to designate any players unavailable? No. Okay, sure. Okay, Phillies at bat. Alright, I guess I am the Royals then. Well, that's fine. Maybe I picked the wrong option there. Doesn't matter. So we're just going to press enter to pitch. And there's a single to left. And you can see the runner on first base. So I'm just going to pitch again. Shallow fly out. Line drive to pitcher, runners hold. I don't know if there's a way to get that text to slow down. The play-by-play disappears pretty quickly, so I'll just try to mention it as it happens. Phillies at bat. Bake McBride up. Runner on. 2 outs. Runner on first, steals second. Okay. Ground ball to first, and he's out. So that retires the side. Here's the Royals up. Offense. Ground out to third. UL Washington. Strikeout. George Brett. Line drive to first. He's out. Okay, no score. We go to the second. Ground ball to first. Out. Manny Trio. Home run to left. Um, as you can probably tell, not a whole lot going on with sound effects here. Let's see, Gary Maddox. Ground ball to first. Ground ball to short, I mean. Strikeout by Boone. Alright, here's Akins. Fly out to center. McRae, single to left. Base on balls. So 2 aboard. There's a strikeout. And Frank White's up. Grounds out to third, so that ends the frame for the Royals. And so Boone is up. I guess whoever was up prior to Boone was the guy who ended the inning previously. Alright, top of the order, Lonnie Smith. Ground ball to shortstop, wild throw, error. Shallow fly out to left. Runner on second, 2 outs. Line drive to third. Okay, so it's still Phillies 1, Royals nothing. And let's see. Grounder to second. Single to left. Oh, that's Willie Wilson on base. Now, let's see if I remember the right code for this. Is it ST to steal? Runner on first, steals second. Cool. Alright. George Brett's up. Runner on second, 2 outs. And he walks. That brings up Willie Mays Akins. I think it said runner on first picked off. Okay. So we're through 3 innings. Philadelphia up by 1. There's a fly ball to right for an out. Alright, ground out to short. Manny Trio, ground out to third. Okay, Inkins is the batter. Grounder to second. McRae, base on balls. Otis, runner advances on a ground out. Walk to Hurdle. Frank White's up. Grounds out to third, and that's the end of the inning there. Grounder to third. Pete Rose, fielder bobbles the ball. He's on base. Darrell Porter. Willie Wilson, fly out to left. Base on balls for UL Washington. Brings George Brett, his .390 average, up to the plate. Another walk. And Akins grounds into a fielder's choice, and that retires the side. Phillies 1, Royals nothing. We head to the top of the 6th. Single to left. Larry Boa, fly out to left. Mike Schmidt, runner steals second. I think that was Lonnie Smith. Schmidt home run to left. And 3-0. Double to center. Okay, Luzinski's up. Ground back to the pitcher. Manny Trio. Ground out to pitcher. Hal McRae. Shallow. Fly out to center. Let's see. We've got Clint Hurdle with a runner aboard and 1 out. Single to right field. Runner advances 1 base. Frank White, 2 on. And double play. That ends the 6th, and the Phillies are up 3-0. Here's Maddox. Okay. Boone. Alright, we got 1 out, Willie Wilson up. Grounder to third. UL Washington grounds out to third. Alright, Phillies up, top of 8. Ground ball ball to third. Triple to left by Boa. Mike Schmidt, the batter. Gura probably starting to run out of steam here. Trying to remember what the mound visit for the home bullpen. Let's see. Is it? I should have looked up the code for this. There's a base on balls. Well, I do have the PDF open here. Let's see. Here we go. Defense. Visit mound is VM. Bullpen change is BP. All right. Okay. So BP. Warm up a pitcher. I know we're losing, but we're going to warm up Quisenberry. Alright. And now we see in the home bullpen we have D. Quisenberry, right-hander. Ooh, another base on balls. How about VM, visit mound? Pitcher is okay. Is he, though? Quisenberry is not ready. We're not bringing anybody in yet, but we do have bases loaded, 1 out. I know there's like infield in and a couple other options. I'm just going to leave it normal. Double play depth. Strikeout. Nice. All right. Can we get out of the inning? Is Quisenberry ready? He is not ready. Well, got to try to get out of the inning with Gura. Facing Manny Trio. Grounder to short. And we do get out of the inning. Cool. All right. Quisenberry might be ready now. We're going to bring him in. Oh, I can't do it now. Okay. Won't let me do it now. Exit. That's fine. George Brett, fly out to right. Akins, ground out to first. McRae, ground out to short. Okay, now I can do bullpen. Number 3, bring pitcher in the game. Which pitcher? 1. Exit. Alright, Quisenberry is the pitcher now, facing Maddox. Oh, another error. So Rose is aboard. Bob Boone the batter. Shallow fly out to left. Lonnie Smith singles. Runner out at third. I think that's what happened. Goes by so fast, so all right. Otis, Hurdle on deck. We're going to let Otis back, but I want to see how do I pinch hit. PH. Well, that makes sense. All right. Otis is batting against Carlton. Home run to left. Sweet. 3-1. I got a run on the board. Hurdle facing the lefty. We're going to see what's on our bench here. Okay. Now we do have Wathen. Yep, that would be. We're going to go with John Wathen. Single to center. There we go. A little something cooking here. Nobody up in their bullpen. Frank White, the batter. You try to hit and run. I don't know. HR. Fly out to left. Runners hold. Porter. I think we're going to pinch hit for Porter. Not too many options here, but we're going to Dave Chalk it. Single to left. Runner advances 2 bases. Casey is studying his pitching situation, making a bullpen change. All right, he's He's got McGraw and Reed up in the pen. I've got 2 runners aboard here, trying to make something happen. Willie Wilson up. Base on balls. Bases loaded. UL Washington. Single to left. Runners advance 1 base. 3-2. George Brett the batter. Steve Carlton the pitcher. Here we go. Classic confrontation. Bottom of 9. Royals trying to at least tie it up here. Let's see what happens. Here's the pitch. Home run to right. Grand slam. Oh my goodness. Not expecting the grand slam to, the walk-off grand slam to end the ball game there. All right, box score listed on screen or printer? We'll go screen. All right, there's our line score. 6 in the 9th to win it. Sweet. All right, Phillies had home runs by Trio and Michael Jack Schmidt. 3 hits for Lonnie Smith. I may have mentioned this with the other SSI Computer Baseball and some of the other early games. Not a big fan of how the box score is listed here, out of order. It's kind of by position. You can see Boone catcher, Rose first base, Trio second base, so on. So it's like 2 through 9, then a DH or whatever, but I don't know. I don't see why it would have been programmatically so difficult to get the box score players listed in the proper order. But anyway, that's how it was back in the day. Memory and disk were precious commodities. Lonnie Smith, 2 stolen bases. Carlton, he was fine up until he just ran out of gas there in the 9th, I guess. And they took a little too long to get somebody warmed up. All right, there it is. Brett with the grand slam. Otis led off that inning with the homer. And a couple of timely base hits there by pinch hitters, Wathen and Chalk. So the Royals prevail, 6-4. There's Gurr's line. And Quisenberry gets the win. And that's going to do it for us here. So thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you soon.